Hey folks, welcome to Automotive Technica. Today I am going to take a test drive of Triumph Speed T4, which is 400cc with a heavier crank, 31% extra. This is excellent, wonderful. Next one is a Scrambler. The bike is good, excellent, good torque. I felt that it is aggressive, better than T400, and I can feel the punch in it. Stay tuned. The torque in this is very excellent and phenomenal. I can go in the fourth gear in a low speed up to 20 kilometers per hour. That's the beauty of this. So folks, I'm going to take a test drive of Triumph Scrambler in white now. So folks, the Triumph Scram 400 is excellent vehicle. Compared to T4, the T4 has got excellent torque and this has got a wide handlebar and comfort level is at next level. So the suspensions are really good, and yeah, if you go into the fourth gear and try to use a slow accelerator, that is a slow lag, but the T4 manages well. That's the verdict here. And this is a bit taller and suspensions are excellent, more comfortable in the riding position. The pickup is excellent in this Triumph Scram 400, and I believe this is the best one in the lot. The second is T4. Speed 400 happens to be the third. I have tested it, but the punch is more in T4, and Scram is good for highway cruising, and in the city you need to manage because of the height and the turning radius.